In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Sketchup to get ready to do your classroom layout assignment. So first of all, when we come in here, one of the things that you want to do that I can't show really is that we want to make sure we do a file save as, and we go to your 8th grade IT folder that is on your H drive. It should be on your desktop. There should be an 8th grade IT piece, or not 8th grade IT, but H drive there. And in there you should have made an 8th grade IT folder earlier. Make sure your assignment is in that location. Otherwise, if it's on your PC or it's on your downloads, you will not have it saved. The next day it'll be gone. So we're going in. I'm just making sure mine's on my desktop. I'm going to make sure I call it classroom layout for right now. I already have another copy just like that because I've made one before. So I'm actually going to call this one classroom layout 2. Just so it doesn't override my other one. And then hit save. The next thing we have to do is get our view taken care of here, and that is done by doing a camera. Make sure we're parallel projection, and then also camera standard views top is the position we want to start in. We can start by going in here and selecting the guy and either hitting the delete key or using the eraser tool to delete him out. Now the next thing that I've done is I have my measurements saved from my last piece over here. So these are the internal measurements of the room, which later on I think when we pull them we will be pulling the external measurements, so there's no confusion that way. Just so we have our layout though, I need to have a 66 feet 8 inch wall down my red axis and a 26 foot 9 inch wall up the green axis. So I'm just going to minimize that for right now, get back into my SketchUp. I'm going to start by making some guidelines. So I go 66/8 from the green axis. Make sure you click with the hook of the tape measure. Slide to the right. Just type. You can click in again if you want to. I just click and move, and then take my hand off the mouse and type 66 feet, and then no space at all, 8 inches. And I hit enter. Now I lost my line there because I need to zoom out because it's actually over. And I can hold my cursor in to get the orbit tool and hit the shift key to pan over to see where that is. Recentering it. Now I also want to make sure my measurement was right because it's morning. Alright, 66/8 is correct. So putting that back down, that's my measurement from there to there. Now from the red axis up, I wanted to go 29/6 or 26/9. Making sure. 26/9. So moving it up, hand off the mouse, 26 feet, and then 9 inches. Enter. Oh, I messed up as far as I put a colon in. So once again, starting over, 26 feet. Make sure you hit the right key. Enter. Now, it said 26 feet there. I think my 9 went. So I'm going to select that last line that I made with my selection tool and delete it. Mistakes happen. One more time, right axis, sliding up, typing in 26 feet, and then 9 inches. Slowing down a little bit. Now I have the right piece. Now the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to make the little cutout piece that I have going down the line, or down the wall, my north wall, and that is 6'7", and then I'm also going to add the 11.4 on the other side. So coming in, I go 6'7". Oh, I had the wrong measurement there too, so 6'7", and then 11.4 from the other side. And then I need one more piece from here, and that is how far does that kick out happen, and that's 2'8" from my main wall, or from my north wall. So coming in, I go into my classroom layout. 2'8" is the measurement that I want to be in. So coming in from my last guideline, clicking, going up, letting go of my mouse, 2'8" inches. Enter. And once again, my fingers are not working this morning. So 2 feet, 8 inches. Keep on hitting the shift key when I don't need to. Alright, now the next thing I can do is go to the pencil tool because I have all my guidelines laid out for the external walls in my room, or for the internal walls in my room. So clicking clicking on the intersections we've created, all the way down. You notice it's not grabbing there. I'm just going to hit the escape key. I'm going to go to my tape measure tool, and I'm going to add a guideline on the red axis and a guideline on the green axis, because sometimes they don't become active right away. So I'm going now to the pencil tool and finishing my piece. And now I have my surface. Once I filled in all the way the perimeter, it ends up snapping that way. One thing I noticed is, notice how I misclicked because I was too far out when I was doing that on my first point. I can go to the move tool there and correct that by selecting it and clicking on the point where it should be. Now, lastly, I'm going to go to the offset tool. I'm going to click on the outside edge, and I'm going to slide out, and I'm going to type in 6 inches. Enter. Make sure we do a file, save as, cancel, a file save to make sure that our most recent work has been saved. But that's how we set up our classroom layout assignment at the beginning. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to set dimensions in the next video. Thank you for watching. Good luck.